Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change story background color on Instagram. So this is an easy process to do. You go to the Instagram application, you go to the option of stories, and you can, if you want, for example, upload this story, you pick here, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner in these 3 points and you pick in the option of draw. So after that you need to change, for example, the color you want here, and you need to put like for a few seconds, and like you see, the complete the story is painted like the of this color. So you pick in done, and after that you need to go to the option of the stickers, and you need to find the sticker of upload another image, and you need to upload the same image you want to put, and the only thing you need to do is prepare the image like you want, and that's it. You pick in your story and you can complete this process. This is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.